What we got, Tatum?
It's my first bike.
Not your first bike. It's your it's your first pedal bike. How exciting!
It's my first pedal bike.
So we got Tatum a Guardian bike, the 14-inch. What color? Come over here and tell them what color.
It's purple.
It's purple.
Yeah, it's like a peachy, lighter, darker purple. So here.
Whoa. Okay, hang on. I'll help you. So we should have some extras in here. We got a bike lock, which is kind of funny.
Oh, wow.
And you got your own pump. Look, you got your own pump. That's pretty cool. Let's see what kind of tools it came with. Oh, came with some tiny pedals. Little tool pouch, probably some Allens in it. Oh, here we got your handlebars. Ooh, grippy grips. Whoa, Tatum, this thing looks sweet. Whoa.
Whoa, Daddy, I tried to lie. Right.
Yeah, well, hang on, we gotta put it together.
No, Daddy, but where's the pedal? Oh, here they are. Here's the pedals, Daddy.
This also came with, which I was kind of confused about. It came with another seat.
Oh, in case the other one get dirty.
It came with a shorter seat. So we're gonna opt for the lighter, softer seat. I think all we gotta do is screw on your handlebars here and we'll be good.
Here is what tools we
Front
got
brake
here?
only activates while
Oh my
riding.
Then look how tools we got use.
How does it know?
But I have these tools and I broke this out, and so I can use that tools, and you see it?
Yeah, man, so snowboard season's over, biking season's coming up. I ordered some new tires for the mountain bike. It's about time that we get Tatum.
My new pedal bike!
Yeah, it's about time we get Tatum into a legit bike. Not that the Strider wasn't legit, just we're excited to pedal. Because what happens when we go ride around the neighborhood is Tatum loves going downhill, but she's like me, she does not like going uphill. Oh, you got a kickstand too? What's up? Kickstand. Dang, this one up on Daddy's bike. I don't even have a kickstand on mine. That's cool. We got the kickstand up and Tatum's wanting to sit on it. We'll see, we might have to remove the pedals just temporarily so she can kind of get a feel for what this bike feels like riding around. But Tatum, you look pretty cool on it already. How do the grips feel? They feel nice and grippy? Look, and then this is the brake. So the way this braking system works is pretty interesting. So if you're just sitting still and you squeeze the brakes, it's only the back brake that is engaging. And how the front brake gets engaged is when this is rotating and you're applying the brakes, this thing will, it's kind of hard to tell, this little thing slides forward, the little brake pad, and that in turn engages this cable, which goes to the front brakes. That is pretty genius, honestly. So now if Tatum ever yanks on the brakes, she's not gonna go OTB. Look at you. All right, you wanna go outside and try it out?
Yay!
Okay.
You push me up there.
Yeah, I'll push you up the hill. We've already had a little bit of practice on it, so we haven't quite mastered it. Yep. Don't forget where your brakes are. Got a little lever right there. Yeah! Sweet. So we did first ride this thing. I took the pedals off completely. Oh, there you go! There you go, keep pedaling, pedal, 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 pedal. The more you pedal, the faster you'll go, and then you won't lose your balance so easily.
Daddy.
Tatum, that was awesome. High five. That's how you do it. You kind of got to push with your feet a little bit and then put your feet up. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Tatum, that is awesome. Knuckles. You wanna go inside and warm up? It's pretty chilly out here.
No, you push me.
Oh.
Up the hill so I can
Yeah, of course.
go.
Yep. Keep pedaling, keep pedaling. I'll give you a good nudge. And turn around. Keep going, turn, turn, turn. Whoa!
I was going in their yard.
Yeah, you're almost going in their yard. Don't forget where your brake is, okay? You squeeze your brake with your hand. There you go. Okay, let go of the brake. There you go. Uh-oh, going to a mailbox. Yeah! Push off with your feet and put them on the pedals and start pedaling. There you go. Push, 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 and then pedal really hard. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal really hard. Put muscle into it.
Run, Daddy.
Oh, you want me to run? And turn to the left. See if you could turn all the way. Keep going, I'll push you. There you go. Woo! You did it. Just don't forget where your brakes are. Oh man. Yeah.
I did it all by myself.
All right, now let's go take my bike for a test ride, but in some actual mountain bike conditions. Let's go. Probably should have checked my tire pressure to make sure that they're still good. I think they are, but after installing the tires and I guess doing some more research, I probably should have done more before I bought them, but the ones I bought are the lightest version of these tires that they make, meaning that they're the weakest, right? So I probably should have gotten the not the downhill casing, but probably the medium, whatever they're called, XO Plus. I think these are just the XOs. I'm not really after lightweight. I'm just more concerned with durability. So see if I have any issues out of these. I don't think I'm sending it hard enough to for that to really matter. I just don't want to find the limit, you know what I mean? I don't want to be actually sending it a little harder than usual.
Huh?
Oh dude, a shortcut, bro. Oh man, that was cool. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, about washed out. Woo. Guess my tires do work.
Man, oh man, these tires feel so good. So much better than the old dry rotted ones. I'm really amazed at how big of a difference it is. It's, the same tread pattern, but just fresher rubber. It makes a big difference. Really happy with the tires and really excited to see Tatum enjoying her new bike. I hope she ends up liking bike riding just as much as I do. And maybe one day she'll be hitting the trails with me. I really appreciate you sticking around to the end. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button. And if you really want to, you can hit the subscribe button. That really helps me out. Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.